If you use GIMP for photo editing, digital art, or graphic design, keeping it updated is one of the easiest ways to make sure you always have the latest features, performance improvements, and bug fixes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to update GIMP on Windows step by step, and I'll also show you the safest way to install the new version without losing your current setup. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open GIMP on your Windows computer. Once the program is open, go up to the top menu and click Help, then choose About GIMP. This opens a small information window where you can see the version currently installed on your system. Checking your version first is helpful because it lets you confirm whether you actually need an update and gives you a quick way to compare it with the newest release. Inside that About window, look for the Check for Updates button. Click that button and GIMP will take you to the update information or direct you toward the latest available version. If an update is available, you'll usually see a link that sends you to the official GIMP download page. Go ahead and click that link or manually open the official GIMP downloads page in your browser. Always make sure you're downloading GIMP from the official source so you avoid unsafe or modified installers from third-party websites. Once the download page opens, choose the Windows installer and download the latest .exe setup file to your computer. After the download finishes, close your current GIMP session completely before running the installer. This is important because the setup needs access to replace the existing files properly, and keeping GIMP open can cause installation issues. Now locate the downloaded .exe file, double-click it and start the setup process. Windows may ask for permission, so click Yes if you see a user account control prompt. When the installer opens, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. In most cases, the new version will automatically overwrite the old one while keeping your program settings intact. That means you usually do not need to uninstall the old version first. Just continue through the installation prompts, choose the default options unless you have a specific reason to change them, and let the setup finish. Depending on your system, the installer may take a few moments to complete. Once it's done, launch GIMP again to make sure the update was successful. You can return to Help and About GIMP one more time to confirm that the version number now matches the latest release. That's really all there is to it. Updating GIMP on Windows is quick, straightforward, and the best way to keep the software running smoothly. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.